air thermometer.
Let's give Al a hand. He rehearsed those lines. He said it so well. Thank you, Al. You did good. You did good. So that was air thermometer. So we're going to build an air thermometer. Well, I guess we already built one. Do you see an air thermometer anywhere on the table? Come on, Ada. You can do it.
Could it possibly be that?
Could it possibly be this thing here?
Maybe.
Yeah. What's the name of this little thing we're doing today? It's called
hardware science.
Hardware science. So this is a scientific instrument made with things from the hardware store. Are you with me, Anna? Mm-hmm. This is Anna. I'm in trouble now. I got Anna and Ada and Al. Got a lot of A's here. So anyway, yeah, we built this thing. So let's see what we built it out of, and we'll figure out how it works. So do you recognize any of the parts?
Is that a PVC pipe? I don't know if that's the right
word.
Right
here, PVC pipe?
Yes.
Okay, got a PVC pipe right there. Would you like to point?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the PVC pipe. And what's right below it? This right here. What do you think that is? It's a little plastic tubing. See right here? Say plastic tubing.
Plastic tubing.
Got that at the hardware store. And what's that down at the corner? Ever seen any brass fittings like that before? Like under the sink of your house or something like that? And then we got some more plastic tubing. So we bought this at the hardware store, right there, plastic tubing. And there's another one of those brass corners, plumbing corners we call them. And what's up at the very top? Yeah, well, there's that. Yeah, that's a valve, a little valve like you turn water on and off under the sink or gas or something like that. And that we open to let air into our system. And you can see the plumbing fittings there. There's a little T. Do you see a T, a plumbing T? This is an elbow down here, and that's called a T. Say T.
T.
Yeah, T. You can get all those fittings at the hardware store. Now, what's the red thing on top?
Tin container.
Have you ever seen anything like that before? Oh, that's right. She's from Colway. They don't have cans there at college. Yeah. Oh, I tell you what cookies come in these things or candy or?
Yeah.
You've seen things like that, right? And we drilled a hole in it, right? You can imagine drilling a hole. The guy at the hardware store helped you do that. And we put that hardware on there, and we sealed it all shut with, what is this stuff? Elephant boogers. No, it's not. What is it?
High-tech sealant.
Yeah, ultra clear silicone sealer. So we use that to seal all the joints where we put things together. Right? And you know what this blue magical liquid is?
Dish soap.
It's not a very good guess. Dish soap. It's just water with a little food coloring in it. So far. Now, is there anything inside of that can up there? Is there anything inside this can? Is there anything in there?
Air.
Oh, she's good. There's air in here, right? And what happens to air when it gets warm? Warmer. Or anything when it gets warm, much less air. When things get warm, you remember studying expansion and contraction? You ever heard of that before? Expansion and contraction?
Yes.
Say expansion.
Expansion.
Yeah, she's good. This girl is good. So do they expand or contract when they get warm? They usually do one or the other.
Expand?
They expand in Colwich? Up in Newton, do they expand? Yeah, they expand when they get warm. So the air inside, if it would get warmer, would expand. Okay, it's coming out. It's going to get out of there. So if the air inside expands when it gets warmer, what do you think it'll do when it gets colder? What's the opposite of expanding? Oh my gosh, what's the word? Anybody? Contract. You know this word. You know this word. You're just showing off, right? Expand. Yeah, when the air gets cooler, it contracts, right? When it gets hotter, it expands. So let's just look at that round can up there. It's got air in there. It's trapped, right? If it gets warmer, what's the air in the can going to do?
Expand.
If the air in that can expands, it's going to push down on here. So what do you think is going to happen to the level of the water?
It's going to rise.
Huh?
It's going to rise.
It's going to rise. So You might not think that this is a very sensitive thermometer, but it really is very, very, very sensitive. The slightest bit of change in temperature will make that water level go up or down. And I don't know what the temperature is in this room, but I could look on another thermometer and see that it says, I don't know what it says there. It says it's about 25 degrees Celsius or centigrade. Yeah, it's about 25, and it's about what? 76 Fahrenheit in this room right now. You see the 60 and 70?
Yes.
That's 76, right? So I could put little marks on here with a magic marker or pencil and make my own temperature scale if I wanted to. Now let's just see if it works. Why don't you use this hot air gun, and let's just heat up that can a little bit, speed it up, because it might not change in here. Did you ever use one of those before?
No.
So you just turn it on like this, and it'll put out some hot air. Oh yeah. Okay, shut it off. Let's just stay this far away and just see if a little bit of warmth will make this. Let's Mary, why don't you hold that, your finger, take your pointer and hold it right where it is right now. Right about there. Okay, just hold it right there. Now throw some warm air up there towards that thing. You ready? She's all the way, she's quite a ways away, isn't she? What's it doing?
It's rising.
Man, I can barely feel the warmth here. It's just the slightest little bit. It's not even very. That's a pretty sensitive device, isn't it?
Yes.
It's amazing. Wow, look at that thing go. All right, I want you to shut that off. And you just hold that there. Let's see. Now, why don't you move it up, back up to where it's, move it up high. Let's see. What am I doing?
Blowing cold air on it.
I'm just blowing on that thing, and look, it's going down. Just the old man blowing on it. Look at that. That's a very sensitive thermometer. Aren't you pleased?
Yes.
Either that or I've got really cold breath. Look at that thing go down. Or it might be the air conditioning. Well, anyway, that's how to make a very sensitive thermometer just using air. Sweet. Were you impressed?
I was.
Were you impressed?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, if they're impressed, I'm impressed. Everybody say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. A very sensitive thermometer.